Hello and welcome! Are you someone who struggles with saving money and doesn't know how to avoid getting broke?
Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to share some practical tips and tricks that can help you avoid the financial strain of living on a tight budget. First things first, make a budget. This means listing out all of your monthly expenses and then subtracting from your income to see how much you can comfortably allocate towards your bills and living expenses. Once you have a clear idea of how much you can spend, make a plan to reduce your expenses. Another great way to save money is to do your shopping in bulk. This is especially true for items like bread, milk, and meat. By buying in bulk, you can often get a lower price per unit and end up saving money over time. Look for deals and discounts when shopping for clothes and electronics. Many stores offer discounts for buying in bulk, signing up for their email list, or loyalty programs. You can also save money by using coupons and negotiating prices with sales associates. Don't be afraid to ask for discounts when booking travel or accommodations. Many hotels and airlines offer discounted rates for booking in advance or for booking multiple rooms. Consider renting out some of your unused space in your home. This could be a spare room, your attic, or even your garage. Not only can you get some extra income, but you can also free up space in your home and declutter. Finally, consider taking on a side hustle. Whether it's offering tutoring or selling handmade crafts, there are plenty of ways to earn some extra income without increasing your expenses. By following these practical tips and tricks, you can avoid getting broke and live a more financially secure life. Remember, it's never too early to start saving and building an emergency fund. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you!